Welcome to the perfect home. This all-brick beauty is sure to catch your eye with its immaculate condition and amazing floor plan. You will love the custom real wood cabinets, granite countertops, tile backsplash, tall ceilings, and beautiful wood trim details. Enjoy cooking in style as this wonderful kitchen has everything you need. Plus, no hoa and a massive 0.69 acres of land give you plenty of outdoor space for entertaining or just relaxing in your fenced backyard surrounded by nature's beauty. And don't forget about that 3-car garage, plenty of room for vehicles and storage. With 3 bedrooms on the main level plus a bonus /4th bedroom upstairs with its full bath, this home offers comfort and convenience throughout. Plus it's energy efficient too.